Lovely first touch by Messi again. That familiar jink inside. Barca have worked this one well. More typical of Barcelona, and it goes towards Messi from Iniesta. Let's go back out again. There is support from Maxwell. A little reverse ball for Iniesta. And it's through. And it was Messi who hit it. So they're not short of replacements. They haven't got a massive squad though, Barcelona, as we've said many times before. Lots of games to come still. Here's Messi. And still Messi. Oh, so close. Went the difficult route back into where the players were, and he almost got away through.
Yeah, exactly. Just to further emphasise the point I just made. They may not be functioning 100% at the moment, but give the ball to Messi in the final third, and he's taken on Bernardeo, Acasietti, Juanito. You'd expect Messi there to perhaps finish that opportunity off.
Here is Alves again. Little Messi. Manages to find Alves, lovely return ball. Good goalkeeping by Diego Alves. First time he's really been called upon to make a save, and he came up with the goods.
Yeah. And they're warming up now, Barcelona. A quick, intricate, one-touch passing around the edge of the box. Players that can beat a defence.
Messi waited for the challenges to come, and then drops your shoulder, runs inside. And again, it's clipped over, and it's Alves coming around the back there on the end of Iniesta's chipped cross. 1-2 with Messi and Iniesta again, and the ball driven across, and it was Luna right across there to help out his central defenders. Danger not clear. Messi to Xavi, tries to pick out the top corner. There's Messi powering at the penalty area again, and twisting and turning and still going. Little Messi. Messi kills it dead and provides a beautiful ball through. This is wonderful stuff from Barcelona, and Villa is so unlucky.
Instantly my initial response was it was going to be a penalty. It's exactly what it was. And Messi lining up against Diego Alves.
Alves has saved 3 penalties this season. He has a reputation as a shot stopper from the spot. Here's Messi, no problem at all. They weren't behind for long. And Messi ends that mini goal drought with goal number 46 of this incredible goal-scoring season. It's 1-1.
Yep, the opening goal for Almeria certainly livened up proceedings. The urgency now amongst the Barcelona players. They've had a scare. An interesting technique for Messi, it head down. A couple of slow, short strides. He's obviously keeping an eye on the goalkeeper to see which way he goes. Just slides it. Of course, so hoping his team can hang on.
Messi. Pedro. Dani Alves. A lovely footwork again by Messi. And still a little drag back as well. Everything coming out here. Sliding challenge. Alves wins it back, and Pedro has the shot. Messi will take it. Number 1 footballer in the world. And it's well attacked, and it's in. They've got a pretty long odds, even for that statement to be relevant at this stage of the game. Barcelona are such overwhelming favourites for this game. They fell behind. There's Messi. Still on course for a half-century of goals. Messi, if he stays fit, of course. 46 in all competitions, 28 now in the league. Same as Cristiano Ronaldo, who scored earlier. And here's Messi. There's the familiar blanket of blue shirts around him.
Say that very often.
Volleying it clear. We do have Messi though charging, and he can wrap it up here. He's in on goal again, and now it's all over. Another goal for Lionel Messi, another goal for Barcelona, another 3 points now, guaranteed for the champions. It hasn't been easy for them. Almeria really pushed them all the way to stoppage time, but Messi and Barcelona have proved to be too strong.
And even when they do play hoofball, just clearing the ball aimlessly up the pitch, unfortunately Barcelona do it with style. It's Keita with a volley out. We saw Xavi hack one away. We saw Keita just clear the ball up the pitch, hopefully. Messi didn't give it up. He's aware that if he puts the defender Marcelo Silva under enough pressure, he might make a mistake. It's exactly what he does. There's only one outcome, isn't there, when Messi gets the ball in that position? You'd think goalkeepers would know better now, wouldn't you? Diego Alves comes out, tries to spread himself, but again, that dink that we often see Messi use. The same technique, time and time again. Just dinks it over the oncoming goalkeeper and wraps up the 3 points for Barcelona.
7 goals against Almeria this season from Lionel Messi. Barcelona go marching on. They were overwhelming favourites, but they didn't overwhelm Almeria. And they went behind early in the second half, but 2 from Messi and a header from Thiago was enough for the champions. They beat Almeria by 3 goals to 1.